is coming. This is coming with the plastic. This is got the protection. So let's start it open. Got plastic so tight, so we gotta do in the corner so we don't damage the product. So let's do it from here. Okay, the tablet is here. This is the tablet. It's open. This is the tablet, and they come with USB cable. It's right here, and a pen. It's right here. This is the manual, and they come with manual warranty cards. This is the card. I like the large 10-inch screen with the eye protection, and this is like a good Android 12 system for games or apps. The battery life is a good when you travel, and I like you can download apps from the Google Play Store, and as like YouTube Kids and Netflix. The cover case is a child safe. I'm sorry, don't break it so you drop it. See, and even you can see from here the design. You see, it's got beautiful design. And this is where they hold it in here. There's a camera here in the front and even in the back right here, those two eyes. And I give it 5 stars. It's perfect for the kids, entertainment and learning. You want to try?